Remote control turns appliances on and off using app and is a low-cost and affordable device that helps you enter the beautiful smart home. 8-bit contains in the screwdriver, compact design, convenient to carry and suitable for all popular laptops, phones, game consoles and other electronics. Supports the status of the monitoring device. Supports single activities, countdown, and repetitions on EWeLink app. Compatible with Alexa/Google Assistant/ITEAD. Connect the EWeLink Smart Home Mobility to the Alexa app. You can ask Amazon Echo/Echo Amazon Tap to turn on/off the Sonoff devices. Connect Smart WeLink in the Google Home app. Start checking your Sonoff devices on Google Home. Connect EWeLink Smart Home to the ITEAD app. Start using ITEAD apps and services to control your Sonoff devices.
Thanks for watching JP Store. Please do subscribe, like, share,